All right, we've got an 80 series Land Cruiser. This one's for sale. A lot of you guys know what this is standing behind me, but for those of you that don't, we're gonna go over some of the details. This could be yours. All right, this 80 series Land Cruiser has been backdated. So this is a FJ60 front end that is actually performed by a company out in Japan called Flexstream. They are regularly known for backdating the newer generation vehicles. They do this on Land Cruisers, they do this on Hiaces, they do this on a couple other vehicles from what I've learned on their website. There's a video that's been circulating around from Dino out in Japan and went to the dealership, and these are readily available to purchase in Japan at a much higher cost. This one has 108,000 US miles. It's about 175,000 kilometers on the 4.5 liter inline six naturally aspirated engine, automatic transmission, full-time four-wheel drive, and of course the Flexstream's backdate. This also features the factory Toyota bubble style rain guards, a 16-inch alloy wheel with a 35-inch metric mud terrain. The truck is perfectly dialed in, it's set up, it's ready to go. It's got a lift kit on it. We're not 100% sure what springs and shock package it is, but it is an aftermarket lift kit. We know that based on seeing some of the other stock ones that we were interested in, and this one clearly had a much higher stance and ground clearance compared to the other ones. Some of the other things to note on this truck is that the interior has been updated. It's got a double DIN stereo that's already set up for the US frequencies. The Japanese radio frequencies do not work with the American frequencies. This one's already been updated. It's got a double DIN with Apple CarPlay, Android Play, and everything you need. It's got new seat covers front and back, and the steering wheel is a darker grain. So it actually goes really well together with the rest of the color of the interior. It's got like a tobacco vinyl with a traditional style cloth in the middle, and it's super comfortable. It's good for hot days, it's good for cold days. It's ready to go camping. It also features a compartment unit in the trunk that could be had with the purchase of the truck. Now, that's optional. This one did not come equipped with the third row seats. It does have the rear AC unit. The compartment system is also bedline, so it does have a rough texture. If you take out the center row seats, essentially the second row, that you could put down the other piece of the platform and you can lay a memory foam on top. You have a full mattress system with pull-out drawers and everything, so you could sleep in it overnight if you have to. You could stay at the beach for a night, have a bathroom and a shower somewhere off-site, being out there at the beach, hanging out with your dogs, hanging out with your family. This is really a good-to-go setup. All right, so on the drivetrain of this truck, this features the 4.5 liter inline six that actually looks to have been really well maintained. As you can tell from the engine bay, it's been really well cared for. It drives great. Honestly, it makes no odd noises. It has all its bits and pieces. It is the same drivetrain that exists in the US, so the parts are actually a lot easier to come by. You don't have to wait the 3-month wait time for stuff to come in over the water. It shares a lot of the commonalities of the US spec, and that's why this makes it a good entry-level truck for somebody looking for something like this. The wheels and tires that you see are an alloy 16-inch, kind of like the traditional old-style 8-hole wheel, and it's got a metric 35-inch BF Goodrich mud terrain. All right, so that's all the good stuff on this truck. There are a few bad things because not everything is perfect. There are a couple blemishes that you'll see around the body. This one at some point did have a spare tire carrier that was welded shut and painted over. You'll see some of the blemishes of the paint on that section, on this front fender, and then that passenger rear quarter panel. Again, little things you have to deal with when you get a custom truck like this. This was built by Flexstreams in Japan, backdated to the 60 series, hence the plate 60-80, 60 front, 80 series body. So this one is for sale, $27,500 or best offer. If you're out of state, outside of California, this is perfect. This is going to come with a Montana title under the company name. This is something that we are going to feature on the website as well going forward, so that way you can reach out to us if you have any more questions, You could look at all the photos on the website, get a glimpse at the video. Again, this will all be posted out there for you guys to really get into the finer details of what's included, what's not, what's optional, what's not, and you could make it your own. That's going to do it for the breakdown of our 80 series Land Cruiser that has been backdated. This could be yours, so if you're interested, don't forget to let us know in the comments down below or email us at info@justdriven.com. Hit us up on Instagram. We're going to go ahead and take this out to some scenic routes, but we'll catch you guys next time. 4 of them, plus bloopers.
4 of them.
Fucking bloopers, you bitch. Alright, what the bitch? I don't know what the that was at the end, dude. Hit us up in the DMs, dude. And comment down below. You want it? Give me money.